Well, you can use Perplexity AI to learn basically any language, and by that I mean you can use Perplexity AI to learn how to pronounce or say things correctly in any particular language. Now, actually, this is a feature that I have covered on my previous video a few days ago, but at the time, this feature is not widely available and not very consistent. But right now, this feature is available to the public. It is at least accessible via iOS and web version of Perplexity. I have no idea why they're not releasing this on the Android version, but I guess for Android users, you have to wait a bit more until you can enjoy this Duolingo style learning feature in Perplexity AI. So I'm going to show you how you can actually trigger this feature when using Perplexity. What you need to do is just navigate to Perplexity. In this case, I'm using the web version. And given that we are using an AI tool, which is basically a large language model, you can just describe it. You can just give a prompt or instruction that you want to learn something, or you want to learn a particular word or phrases in any language. In this case, I'll use a simple instruction where I want to learn essential phrases in Spanish when ordering food at a restaurant. And after that, just send the message. The AI model is not really relevant. I think this is a feature that is available in the platform. And also, it will give you a response where it contains some interactive elements. So you'll see some text that look like this with a tiny play button. And that means you can click on it and it will display a sort of card that will play an audio. And also you can see some examples of how that phrases or words actually included in a paragraph or sentences. So I guess I'm going to just open one of them. Maybe I'll try, let me just try this one. So I'm going to click it. Just wait for the audio to be generated and it will be played automatically.
¿Están listos para ordenar?
Yeah, that's pretty good. You can click this play button again to repeat what it says.
¿Están listos para ordenar?
Okay, amazing. You can also check what would happen or what is the context that can be used for this particular phrase or word. Just click sentence and it will provide
Buenas
one
noches.
example.
¿Están listos para ordenar o necesitan más tiempo?
There you go. I think this is very amazing. Not quite Duolingo, but for a basic language learning app, this is pretty useful. And not to mention, this is Perplexity. This is not an AI tool that is used for learning a language, but it is always amazing that we can get more for something that, not meant to be. So I really appreciate this new addition to Perplexity AI. So that's basically how you can use it. It's probably going to get better, hopefully, and it's going to be quite interesting to see how this feature is going to evolve in Perplexity AI. So that's basically how you can use the new language learning capability in Perplexity AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.